Just have one message today. We get a lot of support. Tibetan Buddhist culture gets a lot of recognition from people everywhere around the world. It is very easy to make resolutions. It's very easy to say we support you, we are with you. What is difficult is to say on this day we will suspend street cleaning because we believe that you deserve recognition. That is really difficult. And I think because of that, whether we are Bhutanese, whether we are Nepalese, whether we are Sherpa, Himalayan, Mongolian, right? Or just a regular American Buddhist over here, no matter where you are, no matter which culture you belong to, I think this recognition means that we are not all these random cultures spread in different valleys in the Himalayas or the plateau. We are all part of this great civilization called the Tibetan Buddhist civilization. And I think there's no greater recognition for this civilization than this resolution, this new bill that just passed. Thank you so much to everybody who was involved in this. And I think this sends a very important message actually. While it recognizes all of us in this great city of more than 8 million people, it sends a very important message to the Chinese government, because the culture and the civilization that we are recognizing today is under threat in its own ancestral home because of the Chinese government's draconian laws, draconian policies. And this sends a message to the Chinese government that you have no right to destroy this major civilization. You have no right to destroy Tibetan language. You have no right to destroy and attack Tibetan Buddhism. It also sends a very important message to the Tibetan people inside Tibet, who are told every single day by the government, by the regime, your culture doesn't matter. Your culture is backward. Your language is backward. You should move on and change, right? It sends a message to the Tibetan people inside Tibet that your language, your culture, your civilization, your history is important, and your conception of time is important. What day the year begins matters, right? And we are all part of this community that believes that the year begins on Losar. Losar Tashi Telek to everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, Julie.